Hello everyone, welcome to the Steph Style, and today I'm going to be doing the drawing for the Louis Vuitton item from I'm a little bit late in announcing and doing the drawing, but hey, better late than never. The one that I did at our 4th annual Fun Box unboxing and crawl, I'm doing the drawing now. So I am going to copy the URL, Control Z, then I'm going to go over to the random, and then it's going to give me an ad, and I'm going to go like this, put it in, go down here, filter for comments or words, and we're going to filter by the word happy because anyone who said the word happy was entered. And then number of winners, 1, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. And then I'm going to get YouTube comments, 64 comments, then you go over here. And then I am going to start this in a second. But if you are drawn, please send me an email to mystephstyle@gmail.com and then let me know where to ship that cute little Louis Vuitton picture holder. All right, here we go. Good luck. Thank you to everyone who entered and who watched. All right, Marcia, wonderful. Marcia, you won the Louis Vuitton picture holder. So I actually, Marcia, if you could just let me know that you saw this. I think I have your address, so just let me know. And thank you again to everybody who entered. Have a great day. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie, and I am an eBay reseller and have been doing that for many, many years. And today I am bringing you a name brand shoebox by ThredUp. I'm going to do an unboxing, but before I get to that, I had to say 2 things. My friend Pat Garza sent me some hair products, and I absolutely love the hair products that she sent me. I used them, and it makes my hair curly and less frizzy, so thank you again, Pat, for that. And then I had to show you the cutest t-shirt I have ever owned. Look at this thing. Small Town Smoke Show. It's not really a serious shirt. It's just a funny shirt. So anyway, before this video, I would have done the drawing for the Louis Vuitton little picture holder. And now I'm going to do an unboxing of this name brand shoebox. It's kind of heavy. And I can't remember. I think it's 4. I'm going to look when I open this. I can't remember what my price is. But they're supposed to be name brand shoes. And I don't think I got to select a size. So I think they just give you whatever size. Oopsies. Give you whatever sizes they want. So, all right, let's open this bad boy up. All right, we've got name brand shoebox. Ooh, I already see some Rothys. $50. And I can't remember how many pairs, and it's not on here, so we're going to find out. All righty, ready? Ooh, okay. Oh, how exciting. Okay, first thing is this pair of Rothys, and they're pretty tiny. They're blue with the pointy toe. And they look authentic. They don't have the cheap look of the knockoffs, that's for sure. And we all know that the size is underneath, right? Isn't that where it is in Rothy's? Let's see. I don't know. I don't sell these often enough to remember where the size is. So I'm going to have to figure out the size and let you know. Or is it on the bottom? It's not on the bottom. But anyway, they're blue and they're adorable. They're really little. They're really little. I would say they're about a 6 maybe, but I'm going to look it up and put it on the screen. All right, you ready for the next one? Oh, look at this. These are Tory Burch, and they're in excellent condition. Look at these shoes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're in really good. Okay, this is definitely a box I can sink my teeth into. Are you kidding me? They're gorgeous. Okay, size is always an issue on Tory Burch shoes. They don't put the size on there. So I'm not sure if they're on here. I don't see the size. Let's see, is it up front? Oh, it is. These are 7.5 medium. 7.5. Oh my gosh. They're in great condition. I see a little bit of wear to the heel, and that's it. Look at that. These are great. They're leather. They're absolutely beautiful. And the logo, you can just tell they're in great condition. Size 7.5. All right. Next up is this pair. Oh, these are cute. Oh, golly. This pair of Michael Kors. Size 8 leather boots. And it looks like there might have been something in here, but I think I don't know. It's not there anymore if there was. There's a slot if you wanted to put something there, but aren't those cute? They're in good condition. They're clean. I don't know if they were worn at all. Maybe. Oh, yes, they were. The bottoms can tell you that much. But the front, it's an open toe front. It's like a peep toe kind of thing. And they're just slip-ons. They're really, really cute. And the heel's probably about 3.5 to 4 inches. But it's not a spike heel. It's got a little bit more substantial bottom to it. So, all right. That is wonderful. Okay, next up is, what do we got here? Oh, yay! Oh! These are Fry boots, and they're kind of a nubuck. They're a nubuck, which is kind of like a smooth, velvety leather. My husband's over there smiling at me. And what size are they? Let's see. They're gorgeous. Please don't let them be my size because there's no way I'm selling them if they are. They're made in Mexico. Where's the size? Do I have to go searching for this one too? I think I do. I'm going to guess these are about an 8.5. But they're gorgeous. The toes have a little bit of scuffing, just minor. But there's not a lot of heel drag on them. But there is some wear to the soles. These are absolutely gorgeous. I just wish I could find the size, but sorry, 9.5B. I was a little off. 9.5B. That is way too big for me, but they're so gorgeous. So, all right. And then the last pair is a pair of, what are these? I don't even know. Veja. V-E-J-A. I don't know. I'm not an athletic shoe kind of gal, but Veja is the name of the shoes. They're in good condition. They're clean. There's that side. And the inside is even clean, so I don't think that these were worn much at all. Were they worn? Yeah, the heel shows very, very little wear, though. These are a size 39, so it's a US 8, it says. 150 retail price tag, or 150 euros. That's not true. Pounds. I think that's what that says. Yeah. So about a size US women's 8. Veja. This is a great box. I'm super happy with this box. I've got I hope that's how you say it, Veja shoes. And we've got the Fry boots. Great, with about a 1-inch heel. We've got did I say these were Michael Kors? They're Michael by Michael Kors is what they are. I don't remember it coming out of my mouth. We've got the Tory Burch shoes, and then we've got the Rothys. I'm excited about these. Yay! All right, so if you're interested in buying any of these, send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. And I do ship with, I do invoicing via PayPal, and then I just ship it out of there. So shipping will be $8 for one or more pairs of shoes that you buy from the box. So thank you so much for watching today, and have a wonderful day.